This is just going to be a quick little video to go over factoring X puzzles and how to use what's called the magic number sheet to be able to find out what the sign of the factors of these X puzzles are. So here's how you read it. If the top number is positive, the bottom number is positive, then both of the side numbers will be positive, like this first example. Top positive, bottom positive, both positive. If we read it again, if the top number is positive, the bottom number is negative, then both of the sides are going to be negative, like this second example. We know this about the factors, so we can just go ahead and write them in. If the top number is negative and the bottom number is negative, then you're going to have two opposite signs, but the bigger one is going to be negative. So we can put a big, bold negative sign and a smaller addition sign just to set our factors up right. If the top number is negative, but the bottom number is positive, then again, opposite signs, but the bigger number is going to be positive. Let me make this a really big, old, bold, ugly-looking addition sign. Oops. So that's how you use the magic number sheet to find the signs of your factors. But if we go in and we actually try to find out what numbers belong there, we can think about it, but if you need the help, you can also write down a factor tree for the top number. To multiply to get 12, you can multiply 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. But there's only two numbers that would add to 7 if you added them together. 3 times 4 is 12, 3 plus 4 is 7. If you wrote a factor tree for 50, 1 times 50, 2 times 25, and 5 times 5, because 3 and 4 both don't go into it. 5 times 10, what did I just say? The only one that can give you negative 15 is negative 5 and negative 10, and we already knew the signs from the magic number sheet. If you write down the factors of 54, again, don't worry about it being negative. You have 1 times 54, 2 times 27, 3 times 18, 4 doesn't go, 5 doesn't go, and then also 6 times 9. Those are all of the numbers that would multiply to 54. Now, knowing these are opposite signs, there's only one set of numbers that is 3 digits apart from each other. Therefore, we know 6 and 9 are the numbers, but the bigger number is 9, so the bigger number is negative. Thanks, magic number sheet. Again, the factors of 24, 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. But there's only one set that is 10 digits apart from each other, 2 and 12, but the bigger number is 12. Again, the magic number sheet is going to help you if you get stuck on the signs of your factors for these X puzzles. Otherwise, it's just something that you can think about.